Good afternoon. This is Flagler County Sheriff Rick Staley with the Monday update on COVID-19 in Flagler County. As of today, Flagler County has 45 confirmed cases of COVID-19, with 7 hospitalized, and sadly on Sunday, we learned that a second death had occurred in Flagler County as a result of COVID-19. Florida is now predicted to peak on April 26. This is 5 days later than earlier predictions, but still before the original prediction of May 3rd. Our area now has multiple options for COVID-19 testing. You can call your primary healthcare provider, as they can provide guidance and likely conduct the necessary swabbing and submit it to the lab for testing. You can visit Advent Health's drive-up testing site for a no out-of-pocket cost test at the Daytona International Speedway. This site is operating Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Please visit adventhealthcoronavirustest.com prior to arrival for full details. The third option is to call the Florida Department of Health, Flagler, at 386-437-7350. They also offer no-cost testing at their Bunnell location if you qualify. And finally, you can visit an urgent care center just like you would at a primary healthcare provider's office. Call that location before going in. For additional health-related questions to COVID-19, please call the statewide COVID-19 Hotline, 866-779-6121. Due to the increased testing, Flagler County has now tested 664 people with 7% testing positive, which is under the state average. There are still complaints coming in about businesses operating that are not considered essential. Essential businesses are online at floridadisaster.org. You may also call the Department of Business and Professional Regulations complaint line, 850-487-1395. On Friday, Governor DeSantis extended his Executive Order 20-87, closing vacation rentals through April 30th, 2020. This is in an effort to discourage non-essential travel and to help keep Floridians safe. To the criminal element, keep in mind that when we find you breaking the law during the state of emergency, you may get additional charges tacked onto your arrest due to violating the Safer at Home emergency order. This violation can result in a $500 fine or 60 days in a Green Roof Inn. Ask yourself, is it really worth it? Please continue to practice social distancing. Wear a face covering when out in the public and avoid group gatherings. Stay home as often as possible and only go out for essential services. This is the only way to prevent and slow down the spread of this virus. Finally, you may have noticed my hair is getting a little long. Well, at least on the sides. My barber, like yours or your hairdresser, are not considered essential. My wife did offer to cut my hair, but I saw what she did cutting our dog's hair, so I declined. Another example of us being in this together, unless your spouse is a hairdresser or a barber. Thank you for your patience and support as we go through this pandemic together. As always, we are here to serve and protect you and your loved ones. Follow us on social media or visit flaglersheriff.com/coronavirus or download the Flagler County Sheriff's app in the App Store or Google Play to stay up to date.